Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, on this occasion, I'd like to explain you about how to use simple past tense and how to improve your speaking skill. Well, we use simple past tense to express an action or an activity which happens in the past. Well, the pattern of simple past tense in positive sentence or statement is subject plus verb 2. And then to make question, we use did before the subject, then followed by verb 1. We can also use question words like when, where, why or how, and then followed by did and subject, then followed by verb 1. When we use to be, we use was or were, and then followed by adjective, noun and adverb. Was is used for I, he, she and it. And then we use were for you, we and they. Well, to improve your speaking skill, please listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. Okay, ready? Well, yesterday, Frank Mitchum bought a newspaper. He saw an ad in the paper. The ad says, Radio Factory needs part-time and full-time employees. There were a lot of ads in the paper, but Frank wanted to know more about the job in the factory. Now, listen again and repeat after me to improve your speaking skill. Yesterday, Frank Mitchum bought a newspaper. He saw an ad in the paper. The ad says, Radio Factory needs part-time and full-time employees. There were a lot of ads in the paper, but Frank wanted to know more about the job in Radio Factory. Okay, do you still remember the story? Well, now please answer my questions. What did Frank buy yesterday? Did he buy a newspaper? What did he see in the paper? Did he see an ad? Were there a lot of ads in the paper? Did he want to know more about the job in the factory? Well, now what about you? I'm going to ask you some questions about your past activities. What did you do yesterday? Did you go to school or did you go to work? What time did you get up yesterday? What time did you have breakfast? What did you do after breakfast? What time did you have lunch? What did you do after lunch? Then, what did you do in the evening? What did you do after you went to bed last night? Well, the last question, what time did you go to bed last night? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.